In this video, I'm going to show you not just one, not just two, but an incredible 3 methods for hooking that VCR up to your fancy TV. The third of these methods is the one that I personally use, but the other 2 may work just as well for you. Connecting your old TV up to your VCR used to be simplicity itself. Spin one of those cathode ray tube sets around and right there on the back you'd see a SCART socket. Simpler times, but new TVs for some twisted reason don't have these things. Time was, all you had to do was stick one end of your SCART socket into the back of your TV, then take the other end of your SCART, find the external socket on the back of your VCR and slide that SCART plug in. Not anymore. So here we go. Here is method 1. Buy a DVD VCR combination unit, which has got a DVD player on one side, while on the other side there's a VCR. That way you can use a newfangled HDMI cable to connect the machine to your TV. Problem solved and drinks all round, right? Well, maybe. This first method may very well solve the problem for you altogether. It hasn't worked so well for me, and I may just have been unlucky because I've had 2 VCR DVD combo units, one of which died and the other one chewed up a tape, so I'm rather wary of them. I don't know what it is. Maybe the VCRs in these machines are of a lower quality and durability than your standard standalone VCR. I don't know, but I steer clear of them now. Anyway, let's have a look at method number 2. Pick up a SCART HDMI scaler converter. This small device acts as a go-between, digitizing the signal from the VCR and feeding it to your TV, or something like that. You run a SCART cable from your VCR to this end of the device, and then you run an HDMI cable from this end of the device to your TV. Problem solved? Drinks, yes? Maybe. Personally, this method did not work for me. VHS is analog for me, and I don't particularly want the picture to be digitized and then fed back to me. Also, I've only tried this one particular unit, but it just didn't really work so well and seemed quite erratic. I think these kind of units are probably cheap for a reason, but there may be some more expensive ones you can try. Have a look at Amazon reviews and see if anyone, solidly recommends a unit and give it a go. So here is method 3, the one you've been waiting for, the one that I use myself. Let's have a look. I really hope that on the back of your TV there are 3 of these sockets, namely the one at the top, the green one marked Y/V, and then the red and white ones at the bottom. Get yourself one of these cables. On one end you've got a SCART thing, on the other end you've got 3 RCA male plugs. Stick the SCART end into the back of your VCR. Then stick the 3 RCA phonos into the back of your TV as shown. On your TV remote, press the AV or the source button or both in order to toggle through the outputs until you find the video channel, and then you can show your grandmother a lovely old video. Drinks all round? Yes. Does anyone else know of any other solutions for this particular issue? If you do, you know where to write them, down there in comments to help out your fellow VHS lover. Good luck, everyone.